Good morning, class. Are you fine this morning? I hope you are fine. Alright, today is Monday. So on Monday, the first session, we have Hangout 5, right? And I told you on Thursday last week, right? Today, I will teach you the definition of the 8 words. Did you remember? Okay, so today we will focus on the meanings or the definition of the 8 words in Unit 9, right? On page 98. We are still in Unit 9, right? Comparing things. Okay, so now you can look at the whiteboard all together. Before I teach you the definition or the meanings of each word, I would like you to read all the words with me first. Okay, so now start reading the word with me. Cheap, cheap. Bright, bright. Large, large. Tiny, tiny. Desktop computer, desktop computer. Keyboard, mouse, mouse. Screen, screen. Keyboard, keyboard. Okay, so now we finish reading all the words. Let's continue to learn the definition. Okay, so now start with the word cheap. Cheap means costing little money. Costing little money, or it is less money than what you expect. So we call cheap. Example, the market before it was $2. So now it's just only half a dollar. So yeah, it's very cheap, right? Yeah, cheap. Okay, so you know the word cheap means costing little money. Bright, bright. Strong and easy to see. Bright means strong and easy to see. It means it's clear to see, right? So this room is so bright, so you can see me clearly, right? Okay, and when I show you the book, yeah, because the room is so bright, so you look at the book, it's so bright too, right? Okay, so I hope you can understand the word bright very well. This room is bright. Large, large. Greater inside than usual. Greater inside than usual. Okay, so it's like a very big, right? Large here means very big. Greater inside. Okay, this room is large. It contains more than 30 students. Okay, so here number 4, tiny, tiny. Very small inside or amount. Very small, okay, called tiny. Okay, you can look at the marker and the pencil. Okay, the pencil is very small, right? So it is tiny. Okay, and the marker is big. Yeah? When you compare it, this one is tiny. Okay. All right, so tiny here means very small. Let's continue to number 5, desktop computer. Desktop computer means a computer with a keyboard, screen, and main processing unit. Okay, so maybe you at home, you have a computer or a desktop computer. Some students have a laptop. But here we refer to a desktop computer. A desktop computer, you have a keyboard, you have screen, and you have the main processing unit, yeah, to process the computer. And then you can work with the computer very well. So this one we call desktop computer. It's hard to carry the desktop computer away or with you, right? But it's different from laptop. Laptop you can move to everywhere with you. Okay, so now let's continue to mouse. Mouse, a small device that is moved to control the cursor on a computer screen. On the computer screen, you see a cursor, right? A cursor is controlled by a mouse on your hand. So you can control left, control right, up to you. And after that, you can use the left click, right click to press something, right? Okay, so I hope you can understand this word well. Let's continue to the word screen. Screen means a flat vertical surface on which pictures and words are shown. Okay, screen. So on your the desktop computer, it has a screen. So the screen show you something like picture, word, Excel, or something else, right? This one we call screen. Without a screen, you cannot look at anything. Okay. Okay, so now let's continue to number 8, keyboard. Keyboard. The set of keys for operating a computer. Okay, so when you see a keyboard, you see a lot of key on it, right? A until Z, and you can operate on a computer, type word or prepare something else. Okay, so now we finish our 8 words, and I hope you can understand all the meanings of these words. Before we finish these words, let's read all the words and definition again, everyone. 1. Cheap, costing little money. 2. Bright, strong and easy to see. 3. Large, greater in size than usual. 4. Tiny, very small in size or amount. 5. Desktop computer, a computer with a keyboard, screen and main processing unit. 6. Mouse, a small device that is moved to control the cursor on a computer screen. 7. Screen, a flat vertical surface on which pictures and words are shown. Keyboard, the set of keys for operating a computer. Okay, so this is the end of our first session, and I hope you can read and remember all of these words. See you in the second session.